Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DORO 8100 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer. It is the place where you can enter all of those codes, and the first code is *###06#. And as you can see, by this code you are provided with the email number and serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and another code *###225#*###. And here we are in the calendar info, so we can check all events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, holidays in your country, or events attached to your mail. Let's go back, and another code which should open the testing menu. It is *###4636###. And here we can check the phone info, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. Let's start with the phone information. For example, we can check the email number again, car network, data network type, and voice network type. Of course, you will be able to check the information if you've got your SIM card inserted. Here you can run ping tests also. Tap on the three dots icon and you can view service dialing numbers or enable data connection. In usage statistics, we should have the list of all apps and processes which are currently on this device. For some reason I cannot display it, but let's check in your device. You will be able to check how much time you've spent on them, or sort them alphabetically. And Wi-Fi information, API configuration or the status. We can refresh the stats, and you can check the network state, SSID or network ID. You can also run ping tests here. So that will be all for this code. And the last one is *##426####. And here we are in the diagnostic, so we can check the server, host port, time connected. After tapping on events, we can check some further details. We can tap on the three dots icon and show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status. And here we've got much more info, just like the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.